This is a V-neck cardigan that my son just loves to use, even though it is really hot right now. It is super helpful in cold summer mornings and evenings. Let's start by talking a little bit about yarn and needles. I am using a yarn weight that is 50 grams equals 75 meters, and that is, I hope, in terms that is a little bit more international, bulky or chunky, and it is 6 to 8 reps per inch. The gauge I am using is 10 centimeters times 10 centimeters, or 4 inches times 4 inches is 19 stitches times 27 rows. Now don't kill yourself if you can't get the exact gauge. It just has to be somewhat the same, and then you have to be a little bit awake if you don't get the right tension. This is because it is almost impossible for someone to get the exact same tension, but you should still try to get somewhat the same. So just a note about children and clothing. They grow like absolute crazy. So getting the exact size is probably going to be impossible. But here I've shown you what the different sizes are, and you can choose the one that is the closest to the child that you want to make this for. But I will tell you that yarn and knitting especially is stretchy, and children are different sizes at different times of day, sometimes it seems. So again, like with the gauge, don't kill yourself to get the exact right size for the child, because it will be different in a week or 2 weeks, especially when you get down to newborn or 6 to 9 months, because yeah, they grow. And someone like my son was born very small, so he was a very small newborn size, and other people I know have started with the 6-month size because their newborns were so big. So these are just suggestions of what age might fit. Today we'll be making the biggest size in the pattern because my son is a year old, so I want to be using this for him. And I have studied patterns for children this size, and we should be able to get 1 to 3 years use of this size. In terms of needles, I am using a 5.5 millimeters, which is a US size 9, but you should choose whatever needle gives you the right gauge. In terms of needles, you can use straight needles for the body, you can use DPNs or circulars for the sleeves, and you can again use DPNs or circulars for putting it all together at the end while knitting the yoke. However, I am going to be using my circular needles for all of it, and that's because I knit in magic circle, so I don't need to switch around. And for me, that is just the most comfortable, but you should choose whichever needles are the most comfortable for you. So just a quick overview of the pattern. We're going to be working the body first, and we're going to work that flat. Then we're going to knit the sleeves, and we're going to knit those in the round. Then we're going to combine it all on one circular needle. Then we will make the decreases for the V-neck and the raglan, and then we will knit a collar, and then we're done. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what I do here, please subscribe. And I just want to say, I know that it's been a while since I've uploaded anything, but I really hope that this can be the new sort of format. I really want to do better patterns. I want to have them tested before I put them out to you. I would love to get some patterns that I can sell rather than just give away, because I think with all of the work put into them, they could be worth actually buying. And of course, the videos are still going to be free. So this is just, I need to evolve, and I'm a little tired of the way that I have been doing the YouTubes. So I hope that you're okay with me changing directions. I'll still be doing knit and crochet patterns and tutorials and all of those things, but it's just going to be a little bit different, and I'm not going to be uploading as frequently because I just want the content here to be better. So please subscribe, please follow me on Instagram if you want to, and other stuff. There will be links down here. I have some Facebook groups that you're welcome to join. And yeah, I hope you have an amazing day, and I hope that the future will be better and brighter. That was corny, I know. I can't help it. I don't have any stage presence at all. I'm just really good at knitting. That's kind of it.